Good morning, first grade, and happy first day of school. I am so excited you're here, and I cannot wait to start our year. I hope everybody had a good night's sleep and as excited as I am to start today. So I just wanted to say good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, and it's the first day of school. And again, I'm Mrs. Norris, and I will be your teacher this year. For today's activities at 9 o'clock, you will go on Seesaw, and if you go under the activities light bulb, so there's the light bulb on your Seesaw app. If you tap on that, it will show you the first activity for today, and that will be a little refresher on Seesaw. If you're having any trouble getting logged into Seesaw, please just let me know. For the student Seesaw, you'll use your student Google email address, and I had emailed everyone's grown-ups those email addresses and passwords yesterday. But just let me know if you're having any trouble, and I will be happy to help you get logged in today. Then our first live lesson will be today at 10 a.m. through Google Meet. I will send the link through Seesaw. So each morning my plan is to send an agenda for the day, all the activities and links, first thing in the morning, along with my message like this. So you'll have all the links and everything that you need for the day. And then all the assignments will go through the Seesaw activities light bulb. So if you tap on that light bulb, like I said, today at our live lesson at 10, we're going to read a great story, one of my favorite stories for the first day of school. And then we'll have a little activity after that. And then we have our second live lesson for today at 1 p.m. And we'll just use the same link for all of our class meetings, and we'll try and see how that works. But I'll send that link on Seesaw this morning. So again, I'm really looking forward to this school year and this new adventure. And just let me know if you have any questions, you're having any trouble. We're all in this together, and this is a learning process for all of us. And I'm sure there'll be a little bumps along the road and maybe some tech things that we have to figure out, but we will do that, and we'll have a great year. And first grade is a lot of fun. We get to learn about a lot of really interesting things, and I can't wait to just get started. So I'll talk with you soon and see everyone soon. Bye.